In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get latest cache update on CS2. Let's get started. First, make sure your game is running the newest version of the map. So recently, Counter-Strike 2 got a major update where Valve officially added the updated cache map back into the game along with other map changes and improvements. First things first, open Steam and launch Counter-Strike 2. Then navigate to the library page. Here find Counter-Strike 2, right-click on it, select the option Properties, navigate to the section Updates. Then you'll need to enable automatic updates. This ensures the game always downloads the latest patch as soon as it's released. Next, restart Steam completely if you don't see the update immediately. Sometimes the patch won't show until Steam refreshes itself. After that, launch the game and check your map pool. The updated cache should appear in competitive, casual, deathmatch, or retakes depending on your mode selection. If you still don't see it, verify your game file. Navigate back to Steam Library. Right-click on Counter-Strike, select the option Properties. Now head over to the option Installed Files. Under this, you're gonna find the option Verify Integrity of Games file. This forces Steam to re-download any missing or outdated files. All you have to do is click on it. Also, make sure you are not running any old workshop version of cache because the official version will override it after the update. And that's basically it. You are now using the latest cache update in Counter-Strike 2. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.